Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use your outer source dashboard. So once you get there and you have created your account, you can click on edit your profile. You can select what country you're from, your language. You can even set up your description and say, I am a professional content creator. Payment info. That would probably be like PayPal, bank transfer. Then you can even put in your billing info if you'd like, and it'll save right in there. You can also access your revenues. So that's any of the amount of money you're currently working on. Once you've completed the job, it'll show you're available and you're pending. Through that, you can even go to your order statistics. Here you can still find all your order statistics, everything. It'll show your orders rising right here. And this is your complete dashboard. So once you actually click on dashboard, you'll see all your orders, the tasks you've completed and you currently have, and your orders that are going through, and you can accept or deny those services if you're offering a service as well.